never be attached to the products you sell. This is the rule of thumb when it comes to drop shipping with e-commerce. A lot of people simply try everything that they can, investing a lot of time, investing a lot of money to sell a product that simply isn't selling. This will actually put you into a black hole. You yourself, your mind, your money, your time will all be wrapped inside this black hole because you are trying to find a way out. In reality, when you're drop shipping, you simply want to just let go. If a product doesn't sell based on your data from ads, from your Shopify store, from Google Analytics, if all those tells you that this product is not going to sell, the market do not want it, simply just move on. I want to tell you that right now, the beauty about drop shipping is that you don't own the product. You don't have any inventory. You didn't invent the product. So why waste time? Why waste money? Simply just let it go. Find another product. There are millions of products that you can literally sell right now. But if you are stuck and trying to actually make a product that simply won't work, to actually make it work, you're going to lose a lot of money. And you never want to do this when you are building your e-commerce business. So seriously, go look back at the past history of what you have been doing. And if right now you are still trying to figure out how to sell a product that you love, then simply just drop it, okay? Only sell what your customers want. Don't be in a position where I think it's going to sell. I'm going to do everything that I can to sell it. Again, you're going to waste a lot of time, money, effort, and most importantly, you will actually feel that you are failing every day and eventually quit. I see that in a lot of my students and a lot of people that I talk to. So seriously, just drop the product, find a new one, and restart. You have nothing to lose. All right? I'll see you then.